Okay, so there's fish all over the deck. Ed's got a fish on here. Wyatt has a fish on here. You came off, Wyatt?
Yeah.
That's okay. Get down. Get back down.
I got one, Dad.
Okay. Dylan's got a fish on. This has been from the second we dropped down.
Oh, a monster.
Ridiculous.
Monster.
This is crazy. At some point, I guess we'll start counting.
We got 35.
Get him down, Wyatt. Get him down. Yeah.
Oh, we still got him here.
Every single cast, Dad.
I know.
I'm gonna
Are you picking any up, Wyatt?
Yeah, he's got one right now.
Just don't get excited. Reel in real slow.
Yeah.
Don't get so excited. Get real fast. Let the fish catch it.
We got one here.
One there.
Okay, lift him out here. I'll grab it.
Oh my God, this is huge, guys.
Maybe a little less line. Shoot. Alright, we're back at it. Fish.
Slow your reel down, Dylan. And once in a while, look about at that lighthouse and stuff. Oh, here comes another big school, you guys. There's gotta be some wings down.